What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about AMP, which has taken a little bit of a pump in the last 24 hours. It is currently up just about 30% in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, earlier this afternoon it did go through quite of a major increase in value. However, it is slowly starting to drop down right now, so we're going to be looking at why did it pump up. Is it going to literally drop all the way back down, or is it likely to pump up higher over the coming hours, days and so on, and essentially looking at its prediction going into 2024. What can we expect from AMP? Is it a crypto worth buying right now, or should you avoid it and keep away from it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.002588 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at 0.003458 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Again, only reason why they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that it's going to pump up in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case guys. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting AMP to have taken a slight dip in value. Again, it's still above the value that it was worth about 10 hours ago, but it is likely to drop down in value from where it is at the moment. But again, in between that time, it is likely to pump up as well to potentially 0.004 to 0.0045 cents over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down below 0.003 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by midday tomorrow. But again, as usual, do expect it to be quite volatile. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, again guys, we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very positive. So once again, this is not realistic. Exact same reason applies as the previous chart. So guys, over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week, I'm expecting AMP to have gone for an overall drop in value, potentially hovering around 0.0028 to 0.0027 cents, somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by mid next week. But do expect green and red days in between, up and down. But again, the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are not looking as steep as the previous two charts, meaning this is slightly more realistic. But it's this pump that happened today still has an impact on the way that it looks. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late January 2024, I am expecting AMP to have gone for an overall increase in value, so potentially trading about half a cent is what I'm expecting. So 0.005 cents, around that price range is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by mid to late January 2024. But again, it could be much higher than that or lower than that, depending on how the crypto market performs, and especially how Bitcoin performs. As you guys can see, it's pumped up to over $44,000 earlier today, which has had a positive impact on the crypto market. And even AMP, since about mid-October, it has been slowly and steadily gaining value, all up until today where it's taken a huge increase. But I'm expecting it to drop back down in value and then carry on pumping in a slow and steady increase over the next 2 months, which should essentially bring it up to around 0.5% is what I'm expecting. But again, if there are any updates to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a major crash, anything that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the value of AMP or the crypto market in general, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,500% up in the last 24 hours, making it $82 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Again, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. Let's have a look here on Binance. It is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it. A lot more people are looking into the project and it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. So it is, a lot of people are buying the crypto and selling, taking out their profits, hence why the trading volume is going up, and it is also helping the value of AMP go up as well. So again, talking about the crypto market, guys, I do have a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer. I got a discount code for you guys. It is usually $29.99. However, you get 50% off using discount code DEC10 to make it $14.99. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. What happens once you sign up? You get put into 2 group chats. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. Don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot, and you guys can also ask me questions on analysis, predictions, and so on other cryptocurrencies, which I will also provide in that group chat. The second chat you get put into is another one where I'll be showing you guys what crypto I'm buying and selling. However, I am into crypto for the long term, meaning I don't buy and sell cryptos on a regular basis, but when I do, it is at a very good entry price and exit price as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested, link is in the description box down below. And now back to AMP. So can it hit the 1 cent target as mentioned in the thumbnail? I'm expecting it to potentially hit the 1 cent target in the second half of 2024. So once it goes for a slow and steady increase in value, I'm expecting AMP to hit the 1 cent target in the second half of 2024. But if there are any updates to that, I will of course let you guys know. Comment down below what month and what year you guys are expecting AMP to hit the 1 cent target. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.